Hello traders. In this short video tutorial, we will show you how to use the bid-ask vol indicator from MyIndicators, made to be used in the NinjaTrader platform. First, please download the path with the explanation on how to install the indicator. Once done, download the indicator and add it to your NT8 platform, like the PDF explains. Once you're done with these simple steps, please go to New and open a chart. Select your instrument. Once the chart is open, go under Indicators, look for Bid-Ask Vol Indicator, and add it to Configured Indicators. Once you've followed these steps, add your activation email and then modify the indicator according to your preferences, such as colors, parameters, and plots. Once you're done, please click Apply and Done. Here's a short video speeded, showing how the indicator works. We hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching another MyIndicators tutorial.